Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a spiraled fan fold shirt. My shirt has been washed and dried. I soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out in my Panda spin dryer and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. Using a piece of kite string and a washable marker, I'm going to put the end of the kite string on the corner of my shirt, and using the washable marker, I'm going to draw an arc onto the corner of my shirt. I'm going to fan fold or accordion fold this line and tie it up with some kite string. Then I'm going to fan fold the rest of the shirt and tie it up with some kite string as well. Okay, now that the shirt is fan folded and tied with kite string, I'm going to begin at one end and spiral the shirt. I'm going to try to make my spiral as tight as I can, and I'm going to tie it with kite string. I started from the top of my shirt when I began my spiral, but you can start from either end, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now it's time to start applying the dye. I'm beginning right in the middle of the shirt with Evergreen from Pro Chemical and Dye. And on either side of the Evergreen, I'm putting Lapis from Pro Chemical and Dye. On one side of the lapis, I'm going to put Olive from Pro Chemical and Dye. Followed by a little bit more of the lapis on the outside edge. Then I'm using Sage from Pro Chemical and Dye on the other side. I have a leaky bottle and so it keeps going all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and add the lapis on the outside edge, and then I'll come back and fill in with that sage. I just want to make sure it doesn't keep leaking onto the area where I want to put my lapis. I put my lapis down into a smaller bottle because this larger container was a little bit harder to handle. I just turned my shirt over to make sure some of the color is coming through on the other side. I want to keep applying color to the front side until I can start to see it coming through to the back side. Since this sage container is leaking so badly, I'm going to go ahead and pour the dye down into another bottle. I just checked again to see whether or not the dye was coming through to the other side. As you can tell, it's coming through really well. So I went ahead and turned the shirt over, and I'm adding Midnight Blue from Grateful Dyes all over the back. I don't want to put too heavy of a coat of the midnight blue on the back because I don't want it to overtake the colors on the front. That's one reason why I wanted to make sure the color was coming through to the back side before I added on the dark color. I put my shirt aside and let it process for 24 hours before I washed it and dried it. And this is what our shirt looks like. I really like this color combination. The evergreen, olive, and sage from Pro Chemical and Dyes are all some new colors for me, so I wasn't quite sure what they would look like, but I really liked them paired with the lapis blue. The dark blue stripes that you see in the shirt are from the midnight blue that we put on the back side. Hey, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit that big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.